Yo guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car video. All right, so the next like 4 or 5 videos is gonna be the next mod list that I have on the car. All right, the sun is like really bright right now. That's why I had to kind of drop my little thing down just so the sun is not glaring on the camera. But the next couple of videos, I know it's been a while since I did the next 4 videos. All right, that's good. Listen, your boy has been busy. All right, work has been super busy, and I've been kind of focused my hands right there, and I've been focused on my gaming channel and my reaction channel too. All right, so those links are in the description down below. But the next 4 today, we're gonna focus on the radio, the diffuser that I have, the diffuser on the car, which we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about, I guess, just the little stuff that I did to the car, and we're gonna talk about. I mean, we're just gonna talk about 4 things. All right, the 4 next mods on the car. So honestly, these might be the last 4. Who knows? Hope you guys are ready. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, comment, and let's get straight to it. Peace. All right, so for those of you that don't know, here's the car. All right, yeah, it looks nice from the front, right? One thing I noticed, the clear coat is going away. You see this? You see this? It's going away. All right. This is the car for those that just don't know. I know. All right, but list number 1, the diffuser. All right, so real quick, some of you guys are probably like, bro, what diffuser are you talking about? Like, what the fuck? Like, where is it? So funny story about this diffuser, right? I don't know what happened to it. So the funny story is, I was home one day, and I think I was either playing the game or doing some videos in my room, and then my sister took my car to the gym, and she called me that night, or she texted me. She was like, hey, I noticed that little black thing on your car is gone. And I'm like, what black thing are you talking about? And she sent me a picture, and then the diffuser is just fucking missing. And I'm like, did you hit a speed bump or something and it fell off? She's like, dude, I honestly don't know. And then, like, I have no idea. But if you guys don't know, let me go ahead and get on the ground. You see, I had screwed 1 screw right there. There was another screw down there. There was another screw right here. Like, there was just a couple screws holding the diffuser in. So I'm not sure if it fell off, but I mainly feel like there was someone that was like eyeing my car for a while. Because, people in this world are fucking stupid. So I feel like they were eyeing my car for a while. And then they were like, you know what? This dude has a nice diffuser. Let me just wait until he goes to the gym or something and then take it off. Because if it would have fell off, there would have been like, I mean, the marks would have looked worse. But because it looks like someone deliberately unscrewed them and just took the fucking diffuser, because those things were like those screws were this long. So there's no way that it would have fallen. And plus, I put like there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like a whole bunch of holes that held the diffuser on. So it's like, so I think someone deliberately came up to my car one night and just unscrewed my shit and took it. But you know what? It's fine. I wasn't really too upset or mad about this, because if you guys don't know, I am getting rid of the car. So I wasn't mad, because I was gonna sell the diffuser on the car anyways. So it is what it is. But yeah, there was supposed to be a diffuser, but for some of you that don't know, or some of you might think I'm lying, I'm gonna go ahead and put the diffuser video about how I installed it at the end of this video, so make sure you guys check this out. All right, this video is gonna be short because I don't really have a diffuser to show you guys. So it sucks, because it really did make the car look nice. It really like make the car stand out a bit. And I did have a lip kit too, like a long time ago, but I took that off because it was cracked. The lip kit did make the car look a little lower. So But yeah, this is it, guys. The diffuser looked really nice. I'm so sorry that I can't show you guys, but I will go ahead and put the link in for the video. It's gonna be in the at the end of this, so make sure you guys either just click towards the end or just watch the whole video. But yeah, life sucks. The diffuser that I bought, it's a Q50 diffuser, all right? Because a lot of people are asking me, hey, where'd you get the diffuser, blah blah blah. I got mine from a friend that had a Q50. He didn't want it and he just gave it to me, which is awesome of him. But you guys could buy the diffuser on eBay for like 50. I think it's like between 50 through 70 bucks now. It's literally called the Q50 diffuser. That's it. All right. And yeah, just go ahead and buy it, and it's gonna fit. Now like how I did, I had to screw the holes in, so that's how I made mine's fit, because it comes with 3M tape, but the 3M tape didn't work, because I mean it fits, but it doesn't fit it, properly. So that's why I kind of had to screw those screws on there, but it looked nice because I painted over the screws, black, and then it was just nice and flush. The video is gonna be there. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, guys. Hey, the new car is coming. I already picked it out, so it's coming. So just stay tuned for that. All right, peace. All right, guys, what is going on? And thank you so much for watching these 4 or 5 videos of my car mod. Now, I'm gonna put this at the end of like all 4 or all 5. Now, I was thinking, after these 4 or 5, I don't think there's anything else that I did to the car. Like, I pretty much went over all the basics, because I stopped modding the car because of the dent on the side, and then the car has like over 220,000 miles on there. Now the car don't give me any issues. Like, it's a great car. It gets me from point A to B, but as you guys know or may have not known, I'm getting rid of the car. And money is here. Well, money's been here, but it's officially time now. I was waiting on that stimmy, and I got that. And I went to go look at the car that I'm gonna get, so it's coming, guys. It's coming in a couple weeks, all right? Or hold on, there's something on my camera. It's coming in a couple weeks, or even in a month or so. So stay tuned for that. The big reveal. I mean, it's not like a super expensive ass car. Like, it's not a Lambo or a Beamer or a Benz. Like, what am I gonna do with that type of car right now? Unless if it's an M3 or an M4, or even an M5. But it's a car that I really like. I didn't think that I was gonna get back into that model car, or like into that make car, but I have 2 of my friends that have that car, but different years, and I was just like, and I looked at it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this car. I'm gonna get this car, not because of my friends, but because there's really nothing else out there that I really want. The Q50, I really want it. I can get it, but it's like, do I really want to be dealing with an Infinity and the problems of that right now, when I have a bunch of things planned already in the future? So I told myself, the Infinity could wait, and especially when I wanted the Q60. Oh God, the Q60 is so nice. But I'm not worried about all that. The car that I'm looking at, it's good, it's nice, I love it, and it's fast. It is turbocharged too. So that's one thing that I really wanted in the next car that I was gonna get, is that it has turbo in it. So I'm excited for that. It's manual. It's automatic. Sorry, it's not manual. But anyways, just thank you so much for watching these last couple videos on the car channel, guys. We're growing great. The end goal of this year is 1,000 subs, or at least. Now I know the videos are not consistent. That's because without the car, there's no videos that I could do. I was doing stance videos, but one of the guys that I reacted to, or I did the stance video to, like, he flagged my video and I got a copyright strike because of that. I was like, dude, are you serious? I'm not stealing your stuff. I'm giving you props, and I'm just seeing what you did to the car, and that it looks nice. But he flagged my shit, so I was like, you know what, fuck it. I deleted all of the stance videos that was on my channel. You know what, we're just sticking to my car only and the car reviews and stuff like that. But guys, I do have a gaming channel, and I do have a reaction channel if you're into those types of things. So check out the description, and thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Follow me on Instagram, all right? Like, subscribe, comment. I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hopefully it's the next car. Peace.